Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tech tutorial video we're going to show you how you can enable the translate websites feature or function in the Opera browser in 2026. So let us dive into this. So open up the Opera browser and after that navigate to the browser settings. You can do this by clicking into that icon in the top left and by clicking into settings here. Next, navigate to languages here on the left hand side. Scroll down in your language settings to Opera Translate and enable it here. So once you have enabled it, you may select the output language you would like to have websites translated to. So click into the drop-down menu, select the language from that menu. After that, for instance, if you're on a website, you will see that option that the given website can be translated into. For example, if you highlight the text on a website that has a different language, you may highlight the text and then you will see a translate page or translate text button. Provided this option here is enabled, guys. There you go. So that's how it works. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it, got some value from it, and we'll catch you later.